Hey everybody, it's Jane from Seychelles. I wanted to talk to you today about PRP, PRF, especially for hair loss, is what I'm going to speak to you today. We get a lot of questions from people, hey, what is PRP, what is PRF? They essentially are the same thing. PRP is where that whole process started. Dr. Reynolds is the inventor of this procedure. He lives in Florida. PRP is when we draw your blood and we spin it in a centrifuge. We have one here. When they first started doing PRP for hair loss, they spun the blood tubes very hard and it degraded the blood cells. They have learned and they've perfected over time, and now we spin them a little bit slower, and that gives us PRF. PRF is that platelet-rich fibrin, so the little tube of blood, these are the tubes that we draw from. It separates. You've got red blood cells that sink to the bottom, and what comes to the top is that beautiful, we call it liquid gold, and that's what we want. That's where all the platelets, the fibrin, and the growth factors, and that is actually what we extract from these tubes and place in your scalp for hair loss. The people that are a candidate for platelet-rich fibrin hair loss treatments are people that have fine or thinning hair, anyone with male pattern baldness. Females, as well as you know, can have also that male pattern baldness. It works very well. We have people here in our staff that have done the procedure, and it works great for them. We have many clients that we've worked on over through the years. Lachelle actually trained at one point with Dr. Reynolds himself in Florida. We are very educated and well versed in the subject of PRF. So if you come in and you do a PRF treatment, we encourage you to do 3 within a year's time. A lot of our clients do come back and do an annual touch-up just to kind of continue to get that collagen stimulation, that collagen growth. It kind of wakes up those hair follicles in the head and creates some new growth and some new hair growth. We are recently adding on a new step to our hair process. We are having you sit for about 10 minutes under a red LED therapy light called Saluma. You sit after your procedure, you kind of just chill, and it brings extra circulation to the area and just works in tandem with that PRF that we have injected in your scalp. If you have any questions or concerns, or you want to just talk to us, we are free anytime. Call for a consultation. You don't even really have to come in person for a consultation. You're welcome to do a FaceTime consultation also. But if you're having any hair issues, please don't be afraid to reach out to us, and we will talk to you anytime and get you started.